Hello, I'm Behzadeh from the London Law Practice, and today I'll be showing you how to start a business in the UK with an entrepreneur visa. Keep watching to find out more. In order to start a business in the UK, nationals living outside of the UK and the EU must apply for a Tier 1 entrepreneur visa. The entrepreneur visa is specifically for those who wish to start one or more businesses and manage them full-time, rather than silent investors or investors who plan to hire someone to run a business for them. And there are stringent requirements that must be fulfilled in order to make a successful application. As entrepreneur visa applications are points-based, you must earn at least 95 points in order to be eligible, in addition to meeting all other requirements. Three of the main requirements which earn the highest number of points are as follows. Number 1. Access to disposable funds of at least £200,000, which must be held in one or more regulated financial institutions. You may also score the equivalent number of points if you have access to at least £50,000 from one or more venture capital firms regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Number 2. Applicants outside the UK must have access to a maintenance allowance of at least £2,800 in cash in a verifiable bank account for a minimum of 90 consecutive days prior to the application. If you'll be bringing the dependents such as a spouse, partner or children under 18, you must also prove that you have maintenance funds of at least £1,600 per person. Number 3. If you are not from an eligible English-speaking country and do not hold a degree taught in English, you must prove that you can speak the required standard of English by passing the International English Language Testing System. In addition, applicants must also present a viable business plan, create 2 full-time employment positions for nationals of the European Economic Area, and be responsible for a share of the business's liabilities. In meeting each of these requirements, there are certain nuances and complexities that must be handled carefully. As such, it is recommended that you seek legal advice or the assistance from a specialist immigration solicitor who will ensure that every requirement is met. While the International Entrepreneur Visa is granted for a maximum of 3 years and 4 months, you can apply for a 2-year extension once the business is operating and the 2 full-time positions have been maintained. Then, once the full 5-year duration of the Tier 1 visa is complete, you may apply for permanent residency. Although applicants are solely permitted to work on their business, dependents may work or go to school. While this video has provided you with a solid overview of how to start a business in the UK with an entrepreneur visa, there are details and complexities to the application process that require experience and diligence. At the London Law Practice, we have specific expertise in immigration law. To book a consultation, contact us today.